job. This is job reference number 5, ITS Properties, and you're wanting to print out a diagnostics report. You go over again to the submenu, diagnostics, click on it. And here's that diagnostics that we had set up and performed earlier. Just to remind you, I'll go inside of it, start diagnostics, clicking the button on the right here. And you go through here, it had 7 minutes and 29 seconds. Remember, we talked about realistically, if you're actually doing the diagnostics, then it's going to be much higher than that. It's going to be whatever it is. But down here are the check marks that you made on that. Well, you want to give this report to the client and get credit for it. So you go back to, you return to diagnostics right here. You can return to the job, but I'm going to return to the diagnostics level. And here we are where we started. And I can do 2 things. I can download the PDF report. If I click on that, what it's going to do, you're going to see the report go right up here. And it's now in my downloads file, wherever that is on your computer. That's one way. And then you can do whatever you want to with the report. It's on your device. If it's a tablet you're doing it on, it's going to be somewhere on your tablet. If it's on your laptop, it'll be on your laptop. The other way you can do it is you can send the customer this report. And let's hit send customer. And what's going to happen, select contacts to send mail to. And it certainly has ITS Properties. You could send it to Sharon. Let's say that your particular approach is you want the report to come to the office, to the service manager first. Well, then you would set up the service manager, and I'm going to put Dan service manager at, get the ampersand at williamsht.com, I think is what we set the company email up. And I did that wrong. I put that in the name. Let's go ahead. I'm going to copy and paste that over here. So where this is going to go to is Dan. Let's make this Marks. That's the service manager. I hit add. And now we've got Dan's. You could also say, well, the dispatcher wants to get it. And that could be, that could be Mary Wilson. And that would be, you can do this on the flyer. You can do this in the office. You can do it right on a rooftop unit, but it would be Mary, you got to select the box, Mary, dispatch, person. I'm trying to get it where the email is not really someone using it somewhere, at williamsht.com, and hit add. Now, besides the ITS property person, you don't decide you didn't want to send it to those 2 because you're going to let the office send a quote or something else, an invoice, whatever. You're going to just send it to office people. You select whatever you want to. And if indeed you want Sharon at ITS to get it, you'd select all. And then you simply hit send. In a few minutes, it crunches it and sends it out. Mail has been sent to these clients. Now, the reason I use play like email addresses is because someone with those names just got